Senator, should we not leave the decision to the ICI also as well?
Well, as I already said, made the statement before that, since it's not, I don't think with the current situation says that people will be contented with just DPWH officials who will be charged, prosecuted, and probably jailed later on. There's suspicion that there are legislators and probably higher officials that are involved. So for I personally I think that the ICI would be better. We would be able to better leave this duty with ICI so as to remove that suspicion that it's difficult, no? That we are investigating ourselves. House of Representatives is doing their own investigation and then hitting the Senate, and then the Senate is doing the same thing. So I personally would think that it's better to be left with ICI. But I think Senator Ping Lacson just wants to wrap it up. No, he wouldn't want to take this long. So whatever we can extract, whatever new information, probably we'll have one or two more hearings, and we will forward. I think the Blue Ribbon Committee will forward whatever findings and information gathered to the ICI.
But Senator, for Senate President Pro Tempore Ping Lacson, he believes that Senators Jinggoy Estrada and Joel Villanueva aren't off the hook just yet, and there are calls for them to inhibit from these hearings. Do you agree with that, Senator?
Well, as I mentioned earlier, it seems awkward that we are investigating ourselves in the same way that in the same manner that the House of Representatives did their own investigation, and sila nga po they have been hitting the Senate, no, with their investigation, and they're trying to bully whoever is naming the congressman. So
they are using the hearings to clear their name. It looks
like
yes. Very for lack of a better word, weird. I mean, it looks
self-serving.
Self-serving. Why you should not allow it, right?
That is why I personally would want to wrap this up. I'm hoping that we can extract more information. And during the last yesterday's hearing, says at least we were able to get some information. I myself was able to extract on how the modus was conducted. In aid of legislation, we have to find out how they did it so that we can propose legislations with safeguards so as not to repeat the same manner of this crime once again. So, meron naman tayo nakukuha from time to time. And I think napaamin naman natin si Bryce, si Sally. Hopefully, I'm hoping, tingin ko talaga, there's still a missing link to the bigger or higher officials. So, we will try that in the next hearings. If not, then we will just have to turn it over to the ICI.